Om Shanti. Today is 14th May 2025 and we shall listen to the essence of today's Murli. In the essence, Baba says, "Sweet children, you are now at the confluence age and you have to break the connections you have with this old world because it is now going to be destroyed." Question: what speciality of the confluence age is unique in the whole of the cycle? Answer: the speciality of the confluence age is you study here and receive the reward of that in the future. Throughout the whole cycle, there is no type of study where you receive the reward of it in your next birth. You children are now studying in this land of death, for that land of immortality. No one else studies for their next birth. Song: the resident of the faraway land has come to the foreign land. The essence for dharana is: first, do not waste your time in gossiping. Be careful that Maya doesn't make you perform wrong actions. Do not become slack by being influenced by bad company. Do not become body conscious and become trapped in someone's name or form. Second, as well as remembering the home, also remember the father. Keep a diary of your chart of remembrance. Note down what you did throughout the whole day and for how long you remembered the father. Blessing: may you be truly loving and cooperative and constantly wear your armor of humility to burn the useless Ravan. No matter how much someone tries to look for a weakness in your gathering, do not let the slightest conflict of sanskars or nature be visible. Even if someone swears at you or insults you, just become like a saint. Even if someone does something wrong, you just remain right. When someone is causing conflict, give him some water of love. Do not pour oil onto that fire with questions such as why this, why is it like that. Constantly wear the armor of humility. Where there is humility, there will definitely be love and cooperation. Slogan: merge all limited feelings of the consciousness of mine into the one, my Baba. Om Shanti.